For that. Good afternoon to all our viewers. Thanks a lot for staying with us here at CNN News 18. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar, getting you all the top stories over the next 60 minutes. We're beginning this broadcast with some breaking developments coming. Minutes after Law Minister Kiren Rijiju cleared the appointment of Victoria Gowri as the judge of the Madras High Court, now a plea has been filed before the Supreme Court challenging the Collegium recommendation to appoint her as a judge. Now, the recommendation of her name invited a lot of controversy as her Twitter account mentioned her as the General Secretary of the Mahila Morcha of the BJP. A group of the Madras High Court lawyers had also sent a representation to the President and the Supreme Court Collegium requesting to take back the name. Our colleague Ananya Bhatnagar continues to be with us, who's in fact been tracking these developments for us. So Ananya, it's barely been minutes after we saw that, the Law Minister in fact had cleared this name. Now a plea has been mentioned. So talk to us about who's mentioning this plea and what are they asking?
Well, this is in fact filed by some lawyers from Chennai, from the Madras High Court, is what we are given to understand. The matter was actually mentioned before Chief Justice of India, and he also agreed to hear the matter. But minutes after, in fact, when this development actually took place, at the same particular point of time, Law Minister Kiren Rijiju actually tweeted and told that the appointment of Ms. Gowri has been cleared. Apart from her, various other names have also been cleared in this particular list. But remember that Victoria Gowri's name had been under criticism for quite a long time, because a group of 21 lawyers had actually recently written to the President of India and also to the Supreme Court Collegium to actually retaliate and to bring back this Collegium recommendation, to take back this Collegium recommendation, as she belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party, is what the lawyers alleged. They had also attached YouTube links of her speeches and had also shown the social media accounts of Gowri, wherein it was clearly mentioned that she was the General Secretary of the BJP Mahila Morcha there, and that's the reason why she should not be appointed as judge of the Madras High Court. However, the central government has cleared the appointment. The President has issued the warrant for her appointment as the judge of the Madras High Court, and subsequently, this name had been under the criticism for quite a long time. But now the petition that has also been filed before the Supreme Court becomes infructuous, because already that was challenging the Collegium recommendation that had recommended the name of Gowri to be appointed as the the judge of the Madras High Court. But now, since the Collegium recommendation has now become a clear appointment, a warrant has been issued in her name for her appointment, the petition would also become infructuous. So it would be interesting as to whether some kind of a comment is passed on Friday, or whether the Supreme Court basically says that it's infructuous and it won't hear it now.
Sure. Ananya, we'll leave the conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details. We're now shifting our focus to some other breaking developments coming in.